Want a week of healthy lunches for less than your morning coffee? Stick around, I'll show you how. First up, beans and rice. Grab a bag of dried beans and a big bag of rice, about $1 each. Cook them together with a pinch of salt, pepper, and a splash of oil. You've just made 5 big servings for under $2. Next, let's add some color. Pick up a pound of whatever veggies are cheapest. Carrots, broccoli, or zucchini work great. Toss with olive oil, salt, and garlic powder, then roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. 5 servings, 1 tray, easy. For flavor, skip the pricey dressing. Mix a spoon of mustard, a splash of vinegar, a squirt of honey, and a little oil. It's less than 50 cents and will make your bowls pop. Need protein? Grab canned tuna or chickpeas, about $1 per can. Drain, season with lemon, salt, and pepper, and split between your meals. Now just assemble. Beans and rice, roasted veggies, and your protein. Divvy it up into 5 containers, drizzle on your homemade dressing, and boom. 5 healthy, tasty meals for just $5. Who knew frugal could taste so good? Hit that like if you're giving this a try and subscribe for more lazy-friendly health hacks. See you next time.